Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hello, so I'm sharing with you a quick video on how to make this horizontal vase, especially for Christmas, but you can use it any other time of the year for your tablescape. If you've already watched the first part of making the gold placemats, check the card above if you haven't watched that yet. Please use the time stamp on the bar below this video, and you can skip straight to the demolding part, because from that part it's different on what we do beyond that, so that you don't have to rewatch the whole thing. So right now, let's continue. I hope you like this. You subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos, and to see like how this would look on a tablescape, and also like, for example, how we use those placemats. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Megwe Inspires. All right, so we're going to use these very thin, soft mats. They're the disposable ones that you can use maybe like for a party, and they are such a low price on Temu. Check the link below on where I share with you how you can sort of get logged in to Temu, but also check the card above where I have shared my experience with Temu and some tips on how you can get some good deals in there. To make this more durable, we are going to use resin as our medium, and we're going to use this I like this scalloped mold instead of it just being a circle. And then we're going to use the MEYSPRING white pearl, and the reason I am adding a casting craft pigment is because this brightens up them. The white pearl is more sort of ivory, and then this brightens it up a little bit more. All right, and let me know in the comment section below, would you have liked to see this instead of white with black? And if you'd have liked to see in silver instead of gold, let me know in the comment section below. First thing we're going to do is just place this facing down until all it's down, firmly down. And I know these edges are going to be, it's a little wider because this is scalloped and this is round, but I'll just place them down and then we can trim later if needed. Before demolding, while it's still not too hard but not enough to smudge, because this is scalloped, there's some part of the mat that are coming up. I thought it's just easier because it's still a little soft, so I'm just trimming the edges, and then if I need I can file it down or use now a deburring tool to finish it off. So I'm just trimming off. So let's demold this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, now let's remove the tape we see, and I've waited until it's harder. Remove the tape and see if it's taken shape. It has. We can remove these pieces, and the reason we were putting this is so that we don't also distort or scratch. Look at it, I love the shape. To see how this now would look with the flowers as a flower vase, please watch till the end. I'll show you how it's come together. I'll take some videos for you on how it would look if it had flowers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out future videos, and to see how this actually looks on a Christmas tablescape, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Juliet MEYSPRING. So don't be limited to what you do. Use molds for. Explore, experiment. God bless you, Barakatana. See you.